2020 was a year of separation and distance, but for Troy University, it was the year of progress and unity. With multiple unity walks, the naming of the John Robert Lewis Hall, and celebrating his life, Troy strived to make a real difference in the face of adversity. Now in the year 2021, Troy is still looking to stay unified by hosting the second Unity Prayer Breakfast.
Well, our first Unity Breakfast was held in June, and it was in the aftermath of all the turmoil, racial turmoil going on in America. We thought the appropriate way forward was to do it together and to do it prayerfully. And that was how we began this journey. And since that time, so many wonderful things have happened that have served to coalesce our community. And it's important, I think, to celebrate diversity and to come together in a natural way as opposed to it being forced. And that's what's happened at Troy University.
Most of us have more things in common than we do differences. And we just have to have and build authentic relationships through conversations and just including everybody in the conversations and the topics that we discuss on a daily basis.
One of the many presentations of this year's Unity Prayer Breakfast was the renaming of the Trojan Center Ballroom after Troy University's first African-American SGA president and Board of Trustees member, Lamar Higgins.
Troy decided it was only appropriate to rename the Trojan Center Ballroom after Higgins for all the events he hosted there as two-time SGA president. And to see this honor being given was Higgins' niece.
It feels really special. He told me before I came to Troy to write my own story and to know that he's leaving a legacy behind, and he broke barriers, and so therefore I know that I can through anything. And so just to carry that torch with me, carry it on throughout life, is really something to look up to.
Allison Polk, Troy, TrojanVision News.